Hey guys, what's up? This is step 1 of 29 steps we would be going through in order to make this Adopt a Pet website completely functional. The step 1 includes typing this very command npm full form is node package manager install --save react router -dom at the rate 5.2.0. The mere purpose of typing this command is that to install React Router DOM on our system, on our project. And the mere purpose of doing that too is so that we can use React Router components in our project. So as we go and click on Visual Studio and we try to open our project, we see this interface, this empty interface. And on the left hand side, we get our pet, that is wherein everything is present. So in order to have an access, have access over this component folders of React Router, we type this very command. So as you go through this very page, you will find that this project is meant to be written using React Router 5, version 5. So that is the very reason we have added this extra line at the end, that is at the rate 5.2.0, at the rate 5. The mere purpose of adding this is that. Now you'd say, what is the need of that? We could have straight away downloaded React Router DOM by simply typing npm install React Router DOM. But this would have installed version 6. We don't want version 6. React Router version 6 introduces breaking changes and your project will not work using these instructions. If you're following Codecademy, if you're following me and the commands which I'll be typing, this wouldn't work there. So you need to type in npm install save React Router DOM 5.2.0 and I will add this command in the description. What would this do? What would this command do? As I said, it will provide you access to the React Router components in the project. And in order to check if your command worked on your project, we can go and search for this text, React Router DOM, React-Router DOM. This will appear in the dependencies object located in the project's package.json file. So first of all, you should know an idea what is object, right? You know that what are object in JavaScript, right? So there's a variable, let's say my cup, and if we equate it and we put in curly brackets and put in key and value pairs separated by comma, so my cup becomes an object. So what is a multi-dimensional object or object inside an object? For example, my cup is an object. Inside this we see key and value pair. These are properties. If a property contains other key and value pairs in it, then that is called a multi-dimensional object. Ignore that. First of all, just get an idea what are objects. So this is what an object looks like. There will be curly bracket, there will be key and value pair separated by commas. So Codecademy says us to go into our package.json file after we have typed this command. Go and check it out. You can find their dependency key there, which will be an object, and that should contain React Router DOM, this keyword there. This keyword would be present there if you will search it. So let's go and first of all type in this npm command. We just straight away copy this. Okay, copied, and we bring it to our code editor. We bring it to our Visual Studio code editor, and we straight away go to the terminal, open new terminal, and herein you can see the directory is our first project. So as you know from the previous video that we need to type in cd, that is change directory, and you have to type in the folder which contains the app, the React app's components. The folder is our pet. The folder name is our pet. We type in cd, we type in our pet. So if you don't like this name, you can straight away go and right click on this. You can rename it to anything, and you again cd, and you can change the location, change the directory, current working directory. We then straight away click on enter. Enter here. We're gonna minimize this. So our directory has been changed to our pet. Extra has been added. Our pet has been added to the directory's location. So now herein we need to type in our code. Our code is Ctrl+Shift+V. You paste it, npm install --save React Router -dom at the rate 5.2.0. We have to wait for a while till it gets installed, till whatever dependencies are needed are being extracted from internet, are being fetched, and are being applied to this our pet folder. So looks like it has been completed. Now, what did Codecademy tell us, our Codecademy taught us to go and check in the JSON folder if React Router DOM is present in the dependency object. What is this? What does all of this mean? So you can go and click on output, and this will open up, and from bottom you can find their package.json. Click on that and you're gonna find a dependency, right? Dependencies, this, and you can find there React Router DOM has been added. Initially this key and value pair was not there. This property, React Router DOM property, was not there. It has been added. So looks like our code has been successfully attached, successfully installed. That's it for the video. Next video I'll catch you up.